Hello, English chefs. Welcome to my podcast, Let's Cook in English, with my English teacher, les tuteurs de Madame AUDISIO. Today, we'll make a sweet British dessert called Eton Mess. Ready to cook and learn? Let's go. Here are our learning goals for today. Understand a simple English recipe and practice the imperative. Learn 7 essential cooking verbs. And finally, make the dessert at home and share a photo of your culinary creation. Can you repeat the word whip? Great. Pour la petite histoire, le Eton Mess est un dessert emblématique né au célèbre et prestigieux Eton College, servi depuis la fin du 19e siècle lors des matchs de cricket contre Harrow School. Mentionné pour la première fois à la fin du 19e siècle, il mélange fraises ou bananes avec de la crème. Le terme mess reflète son aspect désordonné, souvent attribué à une pavlova accidentellement tombée. Aujourd'hui, c'est un dessert estival iconique en Grande-Bretagne. In English, created at Eton College in 1893, the dessert made with strawberries or bananas mixed with cream is traditionally served during the annual cricket match against Harrow School. The name mess describes its mixed-up look, and legend says a pavlova fell on match day, so the broken meringue was scooped up with cream and fruit. A delicious accident! You only need 3 main ingredients: fresh strawberries, crunchy meringue nests, and thick whipping cream. Vanilla or a dusting of icing sugar is optional. Can you name 1 ingredient? Let's check our tools: a bowl, a sharp knife, a whisk or mixer, a spoon or spatula, and pretty glasses for serving. Quick quiz: what do we use a whisk for? To whip the cream, actually we use the whisk to whip the cream, that is, to beat air into the cream until it becomes thick and fluffy, ready to be folded with the strawberries and crushed meringues. Now, imperative verbs are crucial in culinary instructions. Wash means to clean with water, ensuring cleanliness. Repeat: wash the strawberries. Chop involves cutting into pieces, while whip means beating quickly to add air. Repeat: chop. And repeat: whip the cream. Crush refers to pressing into small bits. Repeat: crush. Fold is mixing gently. Repeat: fold. Spoon is putting with a spoon. It's a verb. Repeat: spoon. And serve is presenting the food. Can you say serve and enjoy? Here are today's action verbs. Repeat after me. Wash, chop, whip, crush, fold, spoon, serve. First step of the recipe: wash the strawberries, rinse them under cool water. Quick quiz: what's the past of the wash? Washed. Wash is a regular verb. Second step: chop the strawberries into small pieces. Show me your hands. Chop, chop. Third step: whip the cream until thick. Say it with me. Whip the cream. Fourth step of the recipe: crush the meringues into rough chunks. Listen. What sound does it make? Crunch. Fifth step: fold the strawberries and meringue into the cream using gentle sweeping motions. This technique ensures the cream remains airy and light. Remember, folding is about mixing gently, not stirring quickly, to maintain the texture. Sixth step: spoon the mixture into clear glasses to highlight the beautiful layers of your Eton mess. This step ensures each serving is visually appealing, enhancing the dining experience. Remember, the key is to handle the mixture gently to maintain the texture and presentation. Here, grammatically speaking, spoon is not a noun but a verb. Finally, serve and enjoy. Say it with me. Serve and enjoy. Let's recap the key verbs: wash, chop, whip, crush, fold, spoon, and serve. Each action is crucial in crafting our dessert. Which verb was new for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now it's your turn. Make your own Eton mess, take a beautiful photo and post it with the sentence, "I made Eton mess." I can't wait to see your creations. Great job, chefs. Like, subscribe, and come back soon for another tasty English lesson with les tutos de Madame AUDISIO. See you soon. À bientôt.